Good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn with Randy. So we have here the gelato peeler machine or ice cream peeler. Brand is Tell Me and the model is Variofill, 940 Variofill. So I'm showing you now the catalog, service manual, operations manual, and if you want to learn the whole setup installation, kindly complete the watching the video. And if you like it, please like and subscribe. Our intention is to show you the connections. So here we connected the power, we turn it on, and then you have to press the 01, that means on and off. The indicator greens means the power is there but the machine is off. Now we connect the water supply and we turn on the bulb. That is for washing, and that is for pressure gauge for the dosing of ice cream. So we press the power on and C came. C is for continuous dosing and P is for post dosing. So if you want continuous dosing, you can press C. P means you can press it dosing manually. Okay, and that this is for the release when during cleaning or after the process. You have to discharge the air inside the dosing barrel so that the ice cream will not splash. This is the pressure gauge for adjustment of the air dosing into your mix. If you want more air density, you can open and adjust increase the pressure. So looking at the manual, you can read here the basic operation. So turn on the power, press the air, and compressor on, and then the air dosing. So the whole sequence is there. In the latter part of the video, it will be explained to you. But here on the manual you can read. I took a video of it so that if you want to do installation or programming, or for the training presentation operations, you can read it and explain with the new operator. So our intention is to share the knowledge to everyone across the world, how easy it is to do the installation, and user manual to guide the operator how to use this ice cream peeler machine. And you can read all the sequence. So basically the function of the machine is there is a cleaning, a dosing, compressed air, and the automatic dispensing and manual dispensing using the put switch or the push button. So you can read here. I made the video slowly so that you can able to be guided. So this is for the washing sequence. So after completing the dosing, if the barrel is empty, you can do the cycle of cleaning. Suppose you don't have, you will not do any other process or next process of peeling, you can do the cycle of cleaning. So you can read this. So it's very simple. C is for continuous, P is for post dosing, and there is a compressor on, and the dosing piston to be pressurized. And the most important here is when you assemble the plunger or the Teflon plunger, you have to use the supplied food grade grease, because if you don't lubricate, after time the seal will run out and it will get stuck. So cleaning also very important. This machine is supplied with the gasket or the o-ring for replacement in case there is leakage. After some time you can replace it. And furthermore, order more quantity of the lubricant, the food grade grease, because this is very important. Without the food grade grease lubrication, the plunger or the nylon or Teflon o-ring will get worn out easily. That will cause consistent dosing of ice cream. So going through the manual, you can screenshot or play slowly and read it all. This is showing how to change the o-ring of the dosing plunger or the piston. So there are multiple o-ring seal for the drum or the barrel, plus for the cup, the cover, and piston dosing. So these are the routine maintenance. Also, the cleaning sanitation is very important for this ice cream filler machine, as if you don't remove the piston, the old ice cream will get stuck there inside, and it will cause contamination to your next batch. Here the machine operations manual. So power on, washing, or the water for washing, plus P and C for continuous dispensing, and so that is for power, which is number 1, on and off button, and the LED will light on if the power is switched on. If you on the isolator and not turning on the machine, the indicator will glow, the green indicator light, which means the machine power is available. And you press the number 1 on off, then the indicator, the digital display will turn on, and it will show a letter C or letter P. So on and off, it's that is the button to turn on and off. The indicator LED green, if you turn on the isolator, the main supply of the machine, the indicator green will turn on standby, and that is the digital display where you will see all the functions. And for the P, it's dispensing button. Okay, so manual dispensing button. C is for continuous dispensing button. When you press C, turning on the continuous mode. And that tap or water tap is for the cleaning cycle or supply of water, which here you can do the cleaning cycle. Okay, so the number 7 is for dispense button. If you see the like a spout, that is for dispensing, and the other one is for the air, compressed air for the piston for dosing. The machine is supplied with the o-ring, so that you can do a replacement of o-ring. So the drum we install, we put the ice cream inside with the plunger, but when you do the testing, we found that this machine, the machine is not working. We diagnosed the problem. We found that there is air leakage from the built-in compressor. So this machine has a built-in compressor. You don't need to connect it to the external compressed air. So inside the machine has this up to 7.5 bar compressed air. There is a small compressor and a tank, and unfortunately for this new machine, there is air leakage from the pressure control valve or the pressure controller switch. So we have rectified the leakage from the pressure controller, as the problem is it's not building up the compressor, the compressed air inside the tank. That is why the ice cream is not dosing. So we rectify the problem of this new machine by fixing the leakage from the connector. And after we fix the connector, machine pressure, the compressed air pressure builds up. And as you see there, there is this put switch connector outside the machine, which is you just have to plug it and screw. So this is very easy to use or maintain. A simple engineering work. Yeah, I could say it's best value for money.
leaking.
that can do the job. So once again, I'm showing where the leakage is coming from, the air leakage. So we are checking there the leak, and then we repaired it. So it's a brand new machine, maybe due to the shipment, or because it came with through air freight. So might be during transportation, this air leakage happens. Nevertheless, it's a easy fix, and we have rectified it. But we opened the both covers in order to find the leakage. There is an on and off switch button on the compressor inside, but normally it should be always on.
Pressure is okay now.
As when you turn on the machine and press the compressor, air
What's leaking
compressor,
from here?
this
New
system
machine.
will turn on by itself. So we just
So now
keep
it's
it
working.
on.
Okay.
After
So
we
can start
rectify the
production.
problem, we verify that there is no more leakage.
Turn on. Then C.
Now we
Then
test the
air.
machine.
Wait until the
Turn on
pressure
the
goes
power.
up. Now there's no more leak.
Then either you press C or
Pressure is
E.
okay.
C is continuous. Then we turn on the
Pressure
air.
here is
You have to
also
wait normally
okay.
5 minutes. 5 minutes to build up the air pressure inside
So
the
normally
system.
5 minutes. You have to wait 5 minutes.
You can feel that when the compressor
until
turns
the
off,
pressure
that means the tank
switch
is full,
and the compressor
and
turns
you
off.
can start to operate.
Okay. So
if you
once
operate
the air
with
is
less
there,
air,
compressor
you don't
is
have,
there,
you will
you can
not get
start
the
this.
proper consistency of dosing.
Okay, so that will
So
push
make sure that 5
piston of the
minutes,
cylinder
at least 5 minutes
to discharge the
for
ice
the
cream
initial start.
and then
Meaning
discharge.
if you do the startup, you have to let the air be filled inside. So air, and then that is dispensing. It is splashing because the air
Okay, so
regulator
this
is
new
not
machine has an
regulated
air
yet.
leak. We have
So it's up to you,
rectified
and
the leak
also
in
the viscosity of
compressor.
ice cream.
It's a brand new machine.
As I said from
now,
the beginning,
we
the
start with the sequence.
controller, pressure
Turn on,
controller, is there is a knob. You have to
then wait
turn, you
until
pull
it
it, and
goes
then
to C,
clockwise means increasing,
then turn on to
counterclockwise
compress
means
air.
decreasing the pressure. You decrease it, the air pressure
Once
inside the
the
dosing will
air,
reduce. So you
is
will have
reached.
your
Normally the air compressor
consistency,
it
or the
automatically will turn
viscosity
off
of
once it
ice
reaches
cream
the
that you need.
pressure.
More
So
air,
now it is
more
charging.
body of ice
But when
cream.
you hear
Less
the
air,
compressor
less
off,
body of
that
ice cream.
means it reached the pressure. You can start the production. That's the better way to use it. So we have rectified the air compressor leakage at the pressure switch. It's a brand new machine. So now it's okay. It goes to the temperature, pressure
Okay, so
of 7 bar.
if you're still watching on
7.5
this
bar.
part,
And
don't
there's no
forget,
more
please
leak.
like and subscribe, so
So,
that we can
turn on.
share as well, so that we can share the knowledge.
Wait
This
until
is
the system
our
initialize. Now
objective
it's
is to
C,
show,
and then turn on the
share the
compressed
knowledge
air.
across the world about
Okay,
repair and
so
maintenance of
the
machines.
compressed air is already filled, but normally you have to wait 5 minutes
So we
until
start the
the
machine
air
again,
is
press C,
pressurized
compressor
and the
on,
compressor stops.
and
Then
then
after air,
the
you have to press
dosing.
this sense and
The
then
dosing
pressure.
piston will be pressurized,
Then you can press
and then
on the
dispensing.
switch.
So that is dispensing, dosing of piston, and then the gelato
So
will
that
come
is
out.
how it goes. Okay.
That is the put switch. If you you can configure to use continuous or on put switch. Again, thank you for watching.
Okay,
If you
so
like
now
this
we are
video,
on the
please
cleaning
like and
cycle.
subscribe, and
So turn on
just
power.
message me if there's
Then wait
anything that I could
for
able to
the
help
C,
you,
press
guide
C,
you.
press
Again,
the
God
on
bless
air,
everyone, and thank
and then
you
press
for
the
watching.
dispense and press the cylinder, and then press the washing. Wait for UU, then it dispense the water. So now it is cleaning cycle. Okay, so that is the cleaning cycle is. Okay, so we connect the foot switch and then turn on, then wait for the C to come, then press letter C, and then press this discharge.